Which layer of the gastrointestinal tract contains blood vessel and nerves? Serosa, muscularis, submucosa, mucosa. Correct answer is option C, submucosa. Which part of the tooth is responsible for cutting and tearing food? Crown, enamel, root, incisor. Correct answer is option D, incisor. Which gas is produced as a byproduct of bacterial fermentation in the large intestine? Oxygen, nitrogen, methane, none of these. Correct answer is option C, methane. The pancreas releases its enzyme into the stomach, duodenum, jejunum, ileum. Correct answer is option B, duodenum. Which vitamin requires intrinsic factor for absorption in the small intestine? Vitamin B12, vitamin C, vitamin A, vitamin D. Correct answer is option A, vitamin B12. Which part of the colon is S-shaped and leads to the rectum? Ascending colon, descending colon, transverse colon, sigmoid colon. Correct answer is option D, sigmoid colon. Which hormone slows gastric emptying and promotes fullness? Ghrelin, secretin, cholecytokinin, leptin. Correct answer is option C, cholecytokinin. What is the primary function of the sublingual glands in digestion? Production of saliva, absorption of nutrients, storage of bile, synthesis of gastric acid. Correct answer is option A, production of saliva. Which part of the stomach is closest to the esophagus? Fundus, cardia, pylorus, body. Correct answer is option B, cardia. Which part of the tooth is responsible for grinding and crushing food? Crown, enamel, root, molar. Correct answer is option D, molar. Which structure controls the passage of food from the small intestine to the large intestine? Pyloric sphincter, cardiac sphincter, ileocecal wall, rectal wall. Correct answer is option C, ileocecal wall. Which hormone reduces gastric motility and inhibits gastric juice secretion? Gastrin, secretin, cholecytokinin, somatostatin. Correct answer is option D, somatostatin. Which part of the small intestine is responsible for the final absorption of nutrients? Duodenum, jejunum, ileum, colon. Correct answer is option C, ileum. Coffer cells are specialized macrophages located in the pancreas, liver, stomach, colon. Correct answer is option B, liver. What is the function of the enzyme trypsinogen? Break down proteins, break down fats, break down carbohydrates, activate pepsin. Correct answer is option A, break down proteins. Which hormone stimulates the release of bile from the gallbladder? Insulin, glucagon, cholecytokinin, secretin. Correct answer is option C, cholecytokinin. Which enzyme breaks down fats into fatty acids and glycerol? Amylase, lipase, pepsin, trypsin. Correct answer is option B, lipase. Which structure prevents food from entering the nasal cavity during swallowing? Epiglottis, pharynx, soft palate, none of these. Correct answer is option C, soft palate. Which of the following substances is not absorbed in the large intestine? Water, electrolytes, vitamins, amino acids. Correct answer is option D, amino acids. Which structure prevents acid reflux from the stomach to the esophagus? Lower esophageal sphincter, epiglottis, pyloric sphincter, ileocecal wall. Correct answer is option A, lower esophageal sphincter. What stimulates the pancreas to release bicarbonate-rich secretions? Gastrin, secretin, CCK, insulin. Correct answer is option B, secretin. Which of the following is not a part of the alimentary canal? Esophagus, stomach, liver, small intestine. Correct answer is option C, liver. What is the pH range of gastric juice in the stomach? 5 to 6, 4 to 5, 1 to 2, 7 to 8. Correct answer is option C, 1 to 2. Where is the ileocecal wall located? Between stomach and duodenum, between rectum and anus, between duodenum and ileum, between ileum and cecum. Correct answer is option D, between ileum and cecum. Which part of the digestive tract comes immediately after the cecum? Rectum, colon, ileum, duodenum. Correct answer is option B, colon. Which enzyme is responsible for breaking down nucleic acids? Lipase, amylase, nuclease, pepsin. Correct answer is option C, nuclease. Which digestive structure is responsible for forming feces? Large intestine, small intestine, stomach, liver. Correct answer is option A, large intestine. Which of the following is a digestive disorder characterized by inflammation of the digestive tract? Diabetes, cirrhosis, Crohn's disease, osteoporosis. Correct answer is option C, Crohn's disease. Where is the cardiac sphincter located? Between ileum and cecum, between stomach and esophagus, between stomach and duodenum, between rectum and anus. Correct answer is option B, between stomach and esophagus. Which movement in the small intestine makes a chyme with digestive juices without pushing it forward? Peristalsis, propulsion, emulsification, segmentation. Correct answer is option D, segmentation. What is the name of the muscular tube that connects the mouth to the stomach? Esophagus, trachea, bronchus, larynx. Correct answer is option A, esophagus. What is the main site of alcohol absorption? Mouth, stomach, small intestine, large intestine. Correct answer is option C, small intestine. Which organ has both endocrine and exocrine functions in digestion? Liver, pancreas, stomach, gallbladder. Correct answer is option B, pancreas. The end product of fat digestion is amino acids, starch, glucose, fatty acids. Correct answer is option D, fatty acids. Which organ lies retroperitoneally and produces digestive enzymes? Stomach, pancreas, gallbladder, liver. Correct answer is option B, pancreas. Which of the following is not a function of the stomach? Storage of food, mechanical digestion, absorption of nutrients, production of gastric juice. Correct answer is option C, absorption of nutrients. What is the term for the semi-fluid mass of partly digested food in the stomach? Chyme, bolus, feces, gastrin. Correct answer is option A, chyme. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel for the latest informative MCQs.